Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure Dbeaver on Ubuntu Linux operating system. Go to Dbeaver official website, that is dbeaver.io. See the definition, it is a universal database tool. Dbeaver is a free cross-platform database tool for developers, database admins, analysts and everyone working with data. It supports all popular SQL databases like MySQL, MariDB, PostgreSQL, SQLite, Apache family and more. Let's verify whether Dbeaver is installed or not. Show applications, then search for Dbeaver. See, we don't have any application. Then go to the terminal, click on documentation, click on installation. See, these steps are for Windows or Mac, and for Debian we have to install by using .debpack. So now go back, click on download. Here go to, see, copy this link, then go to terminal, then duplicate and paste that link. See, its size is 117 megabytes. Control L to clear the screen. ls. See, we have Dbeaver Community Edition latest one. Now run the command. Sudo dpkg-9, then package name, that is, this is the Debian package name. Then give db and give the tab. It automatically fills and type and hit enter. Provide the password. See, we have successfully installed Dbeaver. Its version is 23.1. Now click on applications, verify db. See, we have Dbeaver application. Also verify Dbeaver-ce version. See, we have installed Dbeaver 23.15. Now open Dbeaver by clicking on show applications, then search for Dbeaver. See, the first application, click on it. See the pop-up, do you want to create sample database? I don't want, just close it. I'm cancelling this one, later we can see. Don't send. See, this is the Dbeaver console. Now we are going to see how to connect to MySQL. Just click on this connect, this new database connection. If you are unable to find, see, here we have a number of database data source information. Search here MySQL. See, you have different MySQL versions and details. Select the first one, click on next, provide the host or URL information. Localhost, host is localhost, and database, let me verify. MySQL. See, I have Sakila database. Provide the name of the database from the available. Username is root. Provide the password. It is optional to save password or not. Then click on test connection. See, it is saying MySQL driver files are missing. The files can be downloaded automatically. Click on download. Now test is passed, which is connected means test is passed. Now click on finish. See, we have connected to data. See, we have the list of the databases and check the users. See, these are the users available in my localhost MySQL server. In the same way, if you want to connect to PostgreSQL server, just click on it and search for PostgreSQL. Select the first one, click on next. I am going with localhost. If you want to give URL, you have to select the host. This is the host name, this is the database name, this is the username. This is the username, provide the password for this user. Then click on test connection. Again click on download PostgreSQL driver files which are missing. See, connected, which means test is passed. Click on finish. Expand this Postgres, click on, and again expand databases. We don't have any database other than Postgres. If you want to create new database, right click and select create new database. Then provide test DB, then click on OK. See, we have created one database. Let's verify. Sudo su-postgres PSQL/L is the meta command to check the list of the databases. See, we have created a new database. In the same way, if you want to create a database in MySQL server, expand this one, right click and click on and select create new database. Then provide the name for database, test DB. Then click on OK. See, we have the database. Let's verify again. Show databases is the command to check the list of the databases. See, new database has been created. Before, we don't have the test DB. See here, we don't have the test DB. So in this video, we have seen how to install and configure Dbeaver database tool on Ubuntu. Then we have seen how to create MySQL and PostgreSQL database connections in Dbeaver tool. Then we have seen how to create a database in MySQL and PostgreSQL using Dbeaver database management tool. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.